everybody! We're at the gingerbread. What is it called?
Gingerbread Man.
The Ginger Factory.
The Ginger Factory in Yandina, Queensland. And we're going to take you on an adventure with us today. Good morning, Nana.
Good morning. I hope you enjoy your day with us.
Let's do it. We're here. We made it to the Ginger Factory. Let's go. Oh, watch for trains. Is that what it says? Is there a train here? Oh. Straight into the shop. Oh, look at all the ginger over here, Nana. That's cool. This is so good, this stuff. Yeah. There's lots of attractions and lots of options here, but we've gone for a boat ride, a train ride, and a bee tour. Oh, overboard, right around the world. Oh, look at the boats, Leo. Oh my.
Look at those guys with the gingerbread man.
Oh. What do you think, Nan?
This is our dancing. What is it?
Oh,
look at those men.
I saw them. Look at those ladies. Mommy.
look at the dancing ladies.
Mommy, listen there. Mommy, look at there.
Oh, I can see. Wow. In the middle? Wow! Look at the dancing ladies. Look at the genie.
So good.
Lily.
Very good.
Lil, did you like it?
This is a Yandina.
Yeah? That was so much fun. The gingerbread man was travelling around the world. There she goes. Time to play. Ready. I can see lily pads. The grounds here are so lovely, lush, so many trees. Rainforest walk. Oh, follow Nan. Wow, look at this. Many rainforests were cleared by the pioneer timber getters in Yandina. A decision was made here at the Ginger Factory in September 1990 to replant almost 800 plants. Wow. Look at this big guy. Look at the roots. Whoa. That's amazing. Can you lead us back?
Well, what happened?
Shake your foot.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
There's a train track.
There we go.
Are we going to go on the train? How do we get out? How do we get out? Follow Nana. How do we get out?
Whoa.
What are
You're vacuuming. Whoa.
Vacuum the sky. Wow.
Woohoo! Lily's standing next to the train. All right, over here, Lil. Good girl. We're going to go on there after the bee show.
After the bees.
Yeah, we're going to see the bees.
I like bees.
You watched the bee movie. What did they make? Honey, good job.
We're going to bee show.
We're going to a bee show. What do you think they're going to do?
I'm
Not sure. Are you excited?
yeah. We can't go yet.
Are you excited for the bee show, Nance?
I am. What are they going to do there, Lil?
I think we get to taste some at the end.
And the show is high.
Clinton, I thought of you with this shirt.
Look up, Lil.
We're on our way, we're on our way. We're off to see the bees.
Handbag? Great, thank you. Come on in, guys. I'm going to pass that round and have a look. Now what it is, it's the tree sap from tree, or the tree resin.
Look, Nana. You
Wow.
want to touch it, Lily?
Won't hurt you.
Wow. Look, Lil.
That's what the bees make, and they put all the honey in.
Wow.
We've got 2 beehives in there. We'll open one of them up. So over on the far side over towards the train tracks of the park up there, there's actually no mesh there. So that's how the bees are getting out and in as much as they like. We would never have them trapped in here because basically they have nothing to eat, okay? So they have to go out to get to the flowers, then they'll come back if they want to, usually they do. But down the bottom of the hives, there's a tiny little gap down there. So if you watch closely, you'll see the bees coming in and out. So that's the only way for them to get into the hive and the only way for them to get out. So we've got the 2 hives there. They're both actually completely separate from each other. So there are queen bees in each one, okay? Now, they know which one is their hive by smell, okay? So if a bee was born in this hive, they have this particular smell. It's like their ID card, okay? So when they come back in the entrance from foraging, they pass some little guard bees. So these guard bees check they've got the right smell. Right smell, they're allowed in. Wrong smell, there's no getting past those guard bees, okay? And that's how they know which one's theirs. So, they've had to make all those little honeycomb cells. So remember, we just start off with that flat piece of foundation in there. So they build their honeycomb cells, those hexagon cells. Then they fill it up with honey. Now once it's filled with honey, they have to put a lid on top because they don't want their honey dripping out.
3 kilos.
They are, aren't they? That's the one he just tried, yeah.
What do you think?
So yeah, the way they access most of
I think that's like a
the
normal
hives is
flavour.
by helicopter. Because on the west coast of Tassie, there's not much road access over there, so they chopper them in and out through the seasons. But yes, it won the world's best honey award in 2015 and 2017. It's very unique. It's different to any other honey that you would try.
That's nice.
I like the eucalyptus.
Yeah, that's
I
You've
nice.
had that
I
one?
want to try that one.
Okay.
Some. You ready?
Just a little bit, Lil.
Is that enough?
Perfect.
There you go.
Sorry. Oh, that eucalyptus is beautiful.
Yeah, you'll either like it or not.
We've got a ginger scone with ginger marmalade for after, and we've got a steak sandwich to share. What are you having? What did you order? Ham and pineapple pizza. Enjoying your lunch? We on the train?
Yeah.
Lily's got a ginger scone. We've got the gingerbread ginger factory with some cream.
Is it delicious?
How is the scone? Aha, yeah.
Is it delicious? Which do you like best? Do you like the jam that's in there?
I put half jam, half no jam, just in case you didn't like it.
I love how she goes into your room.
Big bite.
But you love cream, don't you? Daddy's girl. Here we go, Lily. Woohoo!
Welcome aboard the Ginger Train Tour. More than a train ride, it's a step back in time. For the the safety and comfort of all passengers, we ask you to remain seated, keeping arms and legs inside the carriages at all times. Smoking is not permitted. The carriages you are riding on are similar to the trams which carried holidaymakers to the coast before local roads were built in 1926.
Is this fun?
They're being hauled by Morton, one of Queensland's original coal. You'll see the entrance to this great adventure at the red and yellow boat. Go overboard with the gingerbread man on a fantastic voyage around the world. Will you escape the clutches of the hungry chefs? Find out when you embark on this meandering water adventure. Unlimited rides on Morton and Overboard are both included in our 12-month VIP pass. For more on this great deal, see our friendly staff at the information desk inside the ginger shop.
Wave to the kids!
On the left-hand side is a green ginger.
That's where it all
They managed
started.
to process Budrum's first ginger crop in 1941. They boast a gourmet range of teas, biscuits and macadamia products.
You getting sleepy?
Giuseppe's workshop is a quaint little toy shop packed to the
enjoy the train
rafters
ride,
with
Nana?
treats for all, retro
you-
games, wooden
are you getting
toys and
sleepy?
collectibles. Even
Lily,
liking
I said,
decks
Lily,
for
do
the
you enjoy
kids.
it?
Traditional
getting
herbs and
sleepy?
scents, specialised driver opens the carriage
And
gates.
where are we?
Enjoy the rest of your stay
where we started?
here at the Ginger Factory.
And we're out of here. Did you have a good time? Yeah? Going back to the car, heading home. Lily's going to pass out in the car, I know it. Let's see what else we get up to this afternoon. So it's been a few hours, and what did we do? What did we do on the lounge?
A dress.
We had a nap on the lounge, and we're all dressed. We're going to go down the big hill with Nana. I haven't mentioned today why it's just the girls. So both boys had to go home to go back to work, so it's just the three of us for the next couple of days. And then we'll go home and see the dadders. Ouch. Are you ready to go?
Yes. Nana.
So we've also been playing tennis most days since we've been here. Not that we can play, we just hit the ball around and have fun. What do you do when you play tennis? Do you have your own racket?
But I don't know how to play tennis.
You don't know how to play tennis. That's okay. Is it fun though?
But when I get older, I will.
Oh, okay.
And when we come here, I can.
Oh, perfect. This is the hill.
Yes.
So this is the culprit. This is the hill that's quite easy to walk down, but on the way back up, not so easy, is it?
I get tired legs.
What do you get?
Tired legs.
Yeah, I know, me too. Nana, tired legs?
Oh, yes.
If we
Still
have to
going
walk-
down. What goes down must come. Walking up past the beach house, surf club. Out to look at all these hotels lined up, and this is their view. This is Hastings Street, Main Street of Noosa, lots of boutiques. Boutique shops and lots of fancy restaurants. Lily, where are we going now? To the park? Go show Nana the way, you remember?
Poppy went first on this one when he was about to go home.
Down.
Guys, now
Is this your house?
yes.
Sun's going down. Playing at the park. Lily's favourite spot. And then we have to conquer that hill. Ooh.
Oh, did he? Started out.
Up. Whoa. Look at you doing it all by yourself.
But I need some help for the stall.
That's okay. Are you going to pull us up that hill?
Yes.
Wow, thank you.
I accidentally fell over on the step.
Oh dear. Lily's park over there.
And your part. Yeah.
Lily and Nana have completed the Australia puzzle.
Mommy, you can't do it yet.
Just do that one. Show me. Which one?
Oh, where does it have to go?
What is it?
Yes.
What else?
Introducing Airwick Pure with no added water.
Oh,
It fills
bungle
with
bungles.
vibrant fragrance with no wet spray.
Cactus.
Pure.
Yes, all done.
High five.
High five both of you. Good job, guys.
Keep your home fresh all day with automatic bursts of fragrance.
Oh, good job.
Thank you, Lily.
So Nana's cooking some dinner. What are you cooking, Nana? Some veggies, some bacon, some chicken. We're on holidays, we're limited. We don't have, pardon me, very long to go. Lily's in the bath. We're gonna finish our night, get all cozy, watch some telly and go to bed. So thank you so much for joining us today. Nana, you wanna say bye?
Bye.
Bye. See you next time. Say, look who's just surprised us. Who is it?
Dada.
Oh.
Who's Dada?
Oh.
Dada.